This is TWiT.
Tech Break is brought to you by ACI Learning. IT skills are outdated in about 18 months. Stay ahead of the curve and future-proof your business competitiveness with customizable, entertaining training. Fill out the form at go.acilearning.com/twit for more information on a free 2-week training trial for your team. Microsoft Edge is getting a... this must have hurt you to write this. Major UI revamp?
I'm God, nobody has the problems I have. I think that's clear to say. So I have this book that I wrote there. There are several chapters about Microsoft Edge. One of the problems with Microsoft Edge is that Microsoft changes it like every single month. And some of the changes they've made in recent months are pretty dramatic, right? The book is pretty visual. There's lots of screenshots. I got to update screenshots. It's a pain in the butt. So I kind of went back and I looked at it. I found some interesting changes they've made, by the way, that are not major, but they're very sly. And so I've been kind of, integrating that into the book. Last week, I said, you know what, I can get the new UI through the the flags interface, right? I'm going to turn this new UI on. I'm going to start doing this. I'm just going to do it. And I did an entire chat. I swear to God, I took edited and posted 80 screenshot changes. And then they announced this thing yesterday. Oh yeah, we're redesigning Edge. I'm like, excellent. I'm on top of this. I already have it. I don't care. And I looked at one of those screenshots and I said, God damn it, that is not what I just took screenshots of. They changed it again. It's different again. I have to redo everything I just did. I like what? Okay. And here's the kicker though. So aside from my problems with obviously only impact me, I have to say, I actually really like this new UI. I can't stand Edge. I don't think anyone should use Edge. Don't recommend it. But it is beautiful. Good. It's beautiful. It's really nice.
But what's wrong with Edge? Why shouldn't I use it?
Why should you use it? Because it does absolutely nothing to prevent you from being tracked around the internet, despite major UI suggesting otherwise. You can actually subvert most of it by using extensions, right? Privacy Badger. This is in the back of the book. I'm going to talk about this, but Microsoft Edge is dangerous to use as Google Chrome. Okay, it's just that the corporate giant behind it.
You might as well use Chrome.
You might as well just use. Yeah, you might as well.
90% of the world uses Chrome, so.
Except for this, I will say, like I said, I like the new UI. I really like it, and yeah. I don't know.
What do you like about the new UI? It's very clean, right? It's very simple.
Pretty. It honestly, I never felt that Edge or the browser, I use Brave. I don't really feel that it's out of place in Windows 11, but I will say when you bring this new UI up, it fits right. It's beautiful. It just looks like Windows 11, and I think you're going to see them make this kind of a restyling across Windows 11. They're going to do it to File Explorer. I think you're going to see more apps kind of take on this look and feel. It's just really nice. It's elegant looking. I hate to compliment it. I hate it, but it's really nice. So yeah,
it's a very clean interface. I have to say, I've always thought that.
It's
very
nice.
Simple.
It's nice. Yeah. It is nice. They're adding new things. I think workspaces might have come out of preview, or maybe it's in a broader preview. Microsoft Edge for Business is not a new browser, but there's this new experience coming. You actually have to be in a business, meaning you're signing in with AAD, and then you can enable it, and this allows you to kind of keep your your work and your home stuff separate, basically. Kind of interesting. It seems to be enabled similarly to Profiles or Workspace. Copilot integration, obviously that stuff is very interesting. Like I said, if you want to do image generation type stuff and you don't want to pay the bill or whatever, do it right in Edge. It's free. It just works. It's pretty good. And also, unlike ChatGPT, it's not like a square, which is kind of a weird thing. I know you can expand it out later, but it will generate images of reasonable proportions, if that makes sense. So there's other new stuff going on with Edge, but yeah, I can't stand Edge, and I like the way it looks. App pick of the week sounds like it's coming out of left field a little bit, but if you want to test that new Microsoft Edge UI, you need to get the beta version of Microsoft Edge. That's how you get it. It will be on stable, as I call it, next month, right? So probably on Patch Tuesday. I don't know the exact day, but somewhere around the 8th-ish, I think. So if you don't want to wait, just download the Edge beta channel version, and you can get the new UI and some other new features, but the new UI for sure. If you are going to use Edge, I mentioned this, you asked me like, what's wrong with Edge? The biggest thing is privacy and tracking. Definitely install Privacy Badger and AdBlock Plus. You can get them from Chrome, the Chrome Web Store. You can get them from I think it's called the Edge add-on store. It doesn't matter where you get them. They're all compatible. So don't dare use this browser without getting external tracking protection.
I guess because it's a Chromium, I could install uBlock Origin.
Yep, that works too. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I use the EFF has that cover your tracks site, and if you go to it with Edge out of the box, you get a bunch of red flags. It doesn't stop anything.
Wow.
It doesn't stop a thing. You don't have a unique fingerprint. Doesn't stop blockers. Doesn't third party nothing. It doesn't block anything. But if you install Privacy Badger and AdBlock Plus, you'll be all green. It's all good. And you should.
Okay.
But don't use Edge. Seriously, you're better than that.